On one hand, if you would do some searching on the internet, most people would have you believe that basically grandparents' rights in Maryland are dead, that they don't exist. Essentially, your any rights the grandparent has is really at the pleasure or by consent of the parents. And there's just as you were saying, there are some minor exceptions, and that's only if the grandparent can show or prove what's called being a de facto parent, which is a more of a loaded legal term. Essentially, how involved was the grandparent in the raising of the grandchild? Was were the biological parents living with grandma and grandpa and essentially raised in that household since birth? Then you could be essentially a de facto parent standing in the shoes of the biological parents. So that's really the main exception. Otherwise, if you're just basically have the kids on the weekends, and for whatever reason you have a falling out with your child or the birth mother or however the situation is, you're going to have some issues trying to get some kind of access or visitation rights.